Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Satish. I implemented one tool which is automatically edit the product, eBay product. So let me show you how the functionality will works and how the way it works. So basically, the thing is the concept we implemented like this. For example, if when we are searching with some keywords, eBay will list out all the products. If the product is less than within the rank, like for example, if the product rank is between 1 to 5. For example, if I search if I search it with some keyword like s- uh, some some pouch like that. If I search like that, if I got all the products, if my product is ranked between 1 to 5, what it will do is it will automatically edit the price what I suggested input price. If the product is between 1 to 5, then it's automatically change the price to another price. That means the people, for example, the particular product price is very expensive. People will not buy. We are not ranking into the Google at 1 to 5. So so we will change the price according to the product, and the people will come and, oh, this is very cheap price, then we're going to buy. So this is the concept we implemented to buy more products in eBay. So let's talk about how we are implemented, what exactly the plan it is. So see, once I executed the core script, what it will do is it's open one window. The window contains all the user interface and everything in the. So this is the window we implemented. This is the admin panel. So here we can log in eBay automatically. So this is the eBay settings. In this we can provide the eBay login details, and we'll upload the prices, input price and output price, and how much hours we need to. Here we setting also auto run program, like using the schedule. So run every 2 hours, run every 4 hours, run every 6 hours, like this. And about product status. See, I just set with I9300 case. These are the products we are getting with that keyword. So these are the all the products we are getting that particular keyword. So what we need to do is I'll explain you how the complete work will be run here. So let me show you what information I can show you here is. Okay, see, if I search it with I9300 case, for example, my seller name is, for example, Silicorona. So this is the my seller name. If I search it with that keyword, I'm getting in the around tenth product. So people will not buy. So how the search will work is, if who getting the most number of clicks on that particular product, and most number of buys, purchases on that product, that will be listed on the number one page. So I would like to change that my product into some less than product. So some pouch product, like I would say, for example, $0.99. So 0.99 cents, it means it's very cheap. So people will come and buy it my product so many times. So automatically my product will be relaunched into the rank 1 to 5. So once we get the my product into 1 to 5, we will give you automatically a new price, which is $2.00, like that. The theme is, we need to get more purchases, more orders about the product, and that every time that my product is going to be up every time. So that is the theme we are implemented like this. Just see how it works. Just I need to first, what you need to do is, you just provide a username and password of your thing, and then just sign in. Okay, once you sign in, you will get another window. So once we sign up, you will get the window. So see, now what I can do is, once I signed up here, what I can do is, I'm going to just upload a Excel sheet. What do you mean by the Excel sheet? This is actually, we need to change the customized view to show up the seller information. Yeah, it's showing the seller information finally. So no need to change anything over there. So just just I got all the products. See, this is I got all the products. See, this is all my products. So now what I'm doing is that here is, so just I just uploading one Excel sheet, like some example sheet. So once I got this is the case and price. This is the price I want to change. If it is not between 1 to 5 rank. If it this is the price. Sorry, this is the price. If it is not 1 to 5 between the rank, it is 1 to 5. If it is between the 1 to 5, I'm changing my rank is like this. So now these are the products are showing. So see how it works. If I click a scrap, I want to run every 2 hours. This is the same script. So if I script see, running successfully this case, and here is C. It's automatically search with that particular keyword what I gave. So it will be searching. Okay, my product is between 272.75. It no need to change that particular product and go and see. It's not changes at all. Okay. So if it is not between the 1 to 5, depend upon the logic what we had. Uh, oh, I'm sorry, there is a few. I put it a few things. That's why it's still showing debugging mode. So everything is changing here. These are the products we are doing here. So rank is 2. So this C, my rank is 2. So it's not changing because the current price is 2.75. It's going for the next product. So here is I need to change these debugging modules. See, the rank of the product is 2 and the rank of product is 125, which at the moment. So it's going to be changed. It's going to be calculating how the product it is, and it's see here it's going to be changing. This is our product. So this product is automatically click all the steps. It's still running on that particular case. This is the case actually we search it, and this is the products we got. So we don't know exactly where we are is ranked at 125 around. It means this is the 125 product we are existed. So it's automatically what is it's doing, it is changing the price whatever we are giving here. So this is the way we are it is changing all the prices and everything, and finally we'll get the output like some other. See, it's changing to 1.49 like that. So need to it's automatically save it and do it all the stuff. See, it's checking, and the product is edited, and it's everything is doing automatically. We'll get the message that by the end of this product to editing. see see this is your listing. See, here it will show the listing will be how the rest will listing will be reviewed, and how the total listing is edited. Okay. So finally we will get message, congratulations, you successfully reviewed your listing. So the see here is it changed, it is showing. See, it's still running, the rank is 125. So we are changing the price 1.49 about that price. At the moment HD1 X case is 2.9. So we are changing that price into 1.49. So it's still running. It's still running. So we are at around 125, which means we are in here is the, so that will be changes according to our price. So right now the people will come and buy our product very number of times. So many people will come and purchase it. So automatically we rank up our product. So then we change the, if it is come to from 1 to between the 1 to 5, then it's automatically changes. So that's the way we are doing the business here, and we are implemented this tool to automatically changes and improve your purchases as much as they can. So this is the way we are doing. So let me I hope this helps you guys to do well, and thank you for watching my demo. Thanks.